Today, I'm going to be reviewing maybe the coolest fan I've ever seen. This fan is from Candy. Not only does it oscillate, but it also goes up and down. I'd first like to thank Candy for sending this to me to review. I'm already excited. So you do get a remote here. So I'm going to hit the swing mode. You can see what it does. So it's going to go up and down, which is really cool. It's really going to circulate the air in a big room or small room. Also oscillating. So let's go ahead and show you how that will work. Now, it not only goes up and down, but it's going to oscillate. It's got a night light. It's got a 12-hour timer, 12 speeds. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to go faster here. I'm going to go up. It's very quiet. This is going to be loud, but on a normal fan, you'd be this loud at like half the speed. So you might even hear it in the mic here. Really nice to just circulate air around the room. The body is plastic, right? So you can actually insert these. So if you want a desk fan, you can take out these little sections and make it smaller. But here was the smartest thing. 2 kilogram base. I've had very expensive brands that have a light base and they are going to just move around. If you have this on the floor, it's not going to slip. But what's really nice is that extra weight. You don't have to worry about this falling over. This is an Amazon choice. It's got 4.4 stars. And last month, November of 2025, 100 plus of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.